On the bottom side of this dresser drawer, this doesn't have any wheels or anything that the drawer rides on. It actually just rides right on this surface. And this elevation is all busted out of here. So I'm going to try and do is build this back up to that height and have a board so that this drawer will work properly. First thing I need to do is I want to square off. This is at a really weird angle, so what I want to do is cut this down so this is perpendicular and square. Take a square here first and mark a straight line. Eyeballing it sometimes works, most of the time it doesn't. So there, then you know you're perpendicular to this angle. I'm using this hacksaw. I'm going to cut that down so that I can remove this piece. I have to probably somehow cut this way, or I may use a chisel. We'll see. I've got this piece of wood out of here. This was like this, and it's actually a knot. I don't know what kind of wood it is. It's kind of weird, but I cut in about a ½ inch, and then this whole piece just chipped right out, so that worked good. I took the hacksaw and I was cutting this way. A little bit of wood here. I'm going to take a wood chisel. Carefully remove a little bit of wood there. There we go. And now what I want to do is put this piece of wood in here, and then this piece of wood on top. And this side is just a little bit high. Oh, there, it's perfect. So I'll cut these two off and then get them glued in there. I'm going to use a hacksaw. I like hacksaw blades, especially for doing smaller work, because the blade, it has such fine teeth. It makes a pretty smooth cut. Got these two pieces cut out. This one will be in here first, and this one fit right there. So I'm going to glue down this first one first, put glue on here, right on there, then I'll put glue on this surface, glue it there, then I'm going to put one clamp here and another one here, and I'll let that dry overnight. I've used wood glue to glue these pieces on, and I clamped it, let it dry for 24 hours. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that looks good. A little bit of a lip there. Yeah, that wasn't there until I clamped it, but I'll just probably either file or sand that down a bit. There's a hole along here. I mixed up some Durham's Rock Hard water putty. It comes in a powder form, and then you just add water to it. You follow directions on the can. So I already got this mixed up. Just gonna fill in that big crack there. I'll finish doing that and then let it dry. Transition from the old part of the drawer, this wood panel, to the piece I put in. There's just a little bit of a gap or offset here, so I'm just going to take a chisel and bring this down so that it's level with this piece, so there's not a bump there. It'll probably, the way it is, it'll probably catch on the dresser frame, so I don't want to do that. So I'm going to take that down, and then where I put in the putty, I'm just going to sand that down a bit to clean it up, smooth it out. But there, simple way to repair some drawers. In an old dresser, but in overall really good shape. Well, be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.